Money is an elementary thing, by the way. It's an elementary thing. That's why, because many people generate money or get money without building intrinsic habits. What does it mean? Intrinsic habit means building internal quality. Without building internal quality, every resource what you have is a curse for you. So the very important thing for all of us, especially for young people, is building a best character, building a best habit internally, not externally. Your internal quality is the very key ingredient to manage every rewards, every resources what you get by chance or by work. Number 2, management. Management is again a very critical thing. Starting from time management, how you manage your time. We all have 24 hours. The billionaire and the broke have both 24 hours. How we are using that 24, for specifically, subjectively, how you are using your 24 hours. You are really making something good with your 24, or you are creating a worst scenario by using your 24. Your 24 really defines your success. So your futurity is really determined by the way how you use your time. So number 3, which is very important, is trusting on people. Trusting on people means trusting on people's potential. Trusting on people means trusting on people's skill. Trusting on people means accepting people as it is. You have to show unconditional love for people. If you have that character, I make sure success is yours. You are a best magnet to attract success in your life. So that is it. God bless you. I'll come back with another idea. Bye bye.